Cho xem một bọn nào nữa. Sao mình phạt nữa không?
Okay. Everyone, how is everyone today? Thank you everyone for coming by to take pictures with Maui and I. We're having so much fun. Thank you all for being so very patient. Well, I have a question. Can you raise your hand if you have seen the movie Moana, all about Maui and I? Oh my goodness, Maui, they're pros. Well, if I ask a question, can you guys shout out the answer and help me tell my story? All right, let's practice. What's my name? What's my name? Better. And what's his name? That's exactly right. Oh my goodness, I think you guys are ready to go. Well, in the beginning, there was only ocean until the mother island Te Fiti emerged. Te Fiti's heart had the power to create life itself, and she shared this with the rest of the world. But others wanted to steal the heart and use it for their own power. And one day, the bravest and strongest of all set out to take it. What was his name?
No. Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea. You to all. As you know, not a boy girl. So I took the heart of Fiji, and as I was about to escape from the car, I was struck down. My hook, the heart, and myself were lost at sea.
Well, then do you remember what happened? What the legend said that one he was immortal to take Maui and restore the heart of Te Fiti. Now, I'm no princess, I'm the chief's daughter, and being the chief's daughter is hard work. My father never wanted me to go out beyond the reef because he said that it was dangerous. He would say, oh, I'm like, it's time to do the village to do it. So, instead of going out on the reef, do you know what I did instead? Do you know what I said with my grandmother? I danced with my grandmother. Has anyone here ever danced with the ocean before? You haven't? Like how? Everyone stand up and dance with me.
Xem mình đây. Sẽ hết tận nào. Sẽ đi qua một thứ thay tao rồi. Nào, thử của mày.
Just like this. Put them down at one foot like this, and lift one arm up all the way. Good work, everyone. Can we try it all together? Will you help me sing too? Alright, those fingers ready. I like to dance with the water, undertow and the waves. Water is mischievous, ha! I like how it
또
Sit down, okay?
So you know what I did? Do you know what I found out? I found out there was no more food left to eat on the reef. And were there any fish?
Yeah, it's dinner.
No, they were all disappeared. So do you know what I did? I disobeyed, which none of you should ever do. But I went out beyond the reef and I sang this song. It's one of my favorites. Can you guys help me nice and loud? I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line with the sky, with the sea, it calls me. And no one knows before it goes. If the wind I sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. And I know everybody on this island has a role on this island. Maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride. I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along. The bliss inside is a different song. What's wrong with me? See the light as it shines in the sea. It's blinding, and no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? God, was I very good at wayfinding yet? No, I sure wasn't. So what happened to me in my boat? That's right. I crashed right back up onto my island of Motunui. And do you know who was there waiting for me? Not Molly quite yet. My grandmother was there waiting for me. That's exactly right. Do you know what my grandmother told me? My grandmother told me that my people used to be voyagers. And we used to sail all the way across the ocean in huge boats and canoes to meet other people on other islands who did the same thing. And then do you know what she told me? She told me that I was the one the ocean had chosen to take Maui and restore the heart of Tahiti. I was so scared, but if I was going to be the next chief, I had to help my people, and this was the only way I knew how. So I left that night with tears in my eyes. But I still wasn't very good at wayfinding, was I? I sure wasn't. So what happened to me in my boat again? I crashed my boat again onto an island that I thought was deserted. How do you live there?
Maui did. Maui's been there for 1,000 years. What? I'm not being over dramatic. I was literally there for 1,000 years. I'm not having this discussion with you.
Is he
That's
talking to
okay.
his little tattoo again?
Yes, being obnoxious. All right, now.
Well, I grabbed Maui by the ear and I said, I am the one of Motunui. You aboard my boat. No, you will aboard my boat and sail across the sea to
But I
restore the
stopped
heart of
Moana
Tahiti.
before she could finish.
But
She was a little short for words, and that's when I realized. Okay. I see what's happening.
the heart of Tahiti.
Face to face with greatness and its way. Don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui. Breathe it in. I know it's a lot. The hair, the fun. We're just staring at a demigod. So what can I say except you're welcome for the tide, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Hey, what has thumbs and hold of the sky? You will bother me high in the sky. When the nights got cold, so you fire down below. You're looking at us, yo. Oh, a white lass to the sun. Come stretch your days and bring you fun. So I honest to free. You're welcome to fill your sails and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome for the eyes that roll from the sea. There's no need to praise today. You're welcome. Ha! I guess that's just my way of being. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, it's time for the rap. Hey, I can do anything I want. Now we got it wrong. Well, come to think of it, kid, honestly, I can go on and on. I can explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground, all I was doing was just messing around. I took it, started it, now you got going back. What's the lesson? What does it take away? Don't mess with matter when he's on the break away. And the chemistry here on my chin. It's the map with the pictures I win. Look what I'm doing, and everything's like. Look at that for me, Hey!
So we left for a long voyage to the realm of monsters.
Where we found who was in the realm of monsters. Tom and what did he have? He had my hook.
Does Tamatoa like shiny things? Yes! He sure does. And what is the greatest treasure of all that is sitting right on top of his huge shell? Mount's Bishop. That's exactly right. After we got into the huge king crab's lair, we finally escaped without a scratch. But was Mount's Bishop working very well? Was it working? When we tried to escape, did it turn into a giant hawk like he wanted?
Everything except a giant hawk.
He even turned into Sven from Frozen. Do you remember? I thought that was pretty silly. But we escaped without a scratch, and I helped Maui learn how to use his fishing again with lots and lots of practice. And he taught me how to wayfind.
We're not high-fiving the sky, Curly.
Well, it was finally time to go and face the huge lava monster to calm. After a long day's voyage all the way across the vast ocean, we finally arrived. I was in my boat and I was going just as fast as I could, and I thought that I could make it. And Maui yelled at me. He said,
Well, wanna stop.
But did I stop? I didn't. And what happened to me in my boat? That's right. The lava monster raised its huge lava monster arm up in the air just like this. Can you do it with me? And it came crashing down on my boat. I was blown all the way back to the middle of the ocean, right back to where I started, and I was so upset. And Maui was very upset too. Do you know why? That's exactly right.
Didn't listen.
And Maui's vision was broken, and if it took one more hit, it would have been broken for good. So then, do you know what Maui did? Did he stay and help me? No, what did he do?
Flew away.
He flew away and left me in the middle of the ocean all by myself. I was so defeated that I was about to turn around and go right back to Motunui. But then, do you remember whose spirit showed up? My grandmother asked why I hesitated to go back to Motunui, and then she asked me who I was. Can you guys help me sing? Can you help me sing Nice Cloud? Perfect. I am a girl who loves my island, and a girl who loves the sea.
back and saved the day. Maui told Moana to go replace the heart back in Fiji while I took care of the cops.
I went and I stood on top of a huge rock to restore the heart of Te Fiti, but I couldn't find the island of Te Fiti anywhere. Do you know where she was? That's right, Princess. She was inside the Taka. She had transformed into the evil lava monster as soon as the darkness was released. I took the heart of Te Fiti out of my necklace and I held it up just like this. Can you do it with me? Out of the corner of my eye, I saw a glimmering spider and I knew exactly what I had to do. You guys help me sing. Be nice and loud. I've crossed the horizon to find you. I know your name. They have stolen the heart from inside you. But this does not define you. This is not who you are. You know who you are. And I placed the heart of Te Fiti inside the chest of the evil lava monster, and the ugly, dusty ash fell away, and revealed a beautiful, green, smiling island of Te Fiti. Te Fiti was so thankful that we had finally restored her heart, and she gave Maui and I a few gifts. Do you remember what they were? That's right, now we got a brand new fish hook, and I got a brand new boat to sail all the way back home on. Well, it'd be rude to refuse a gift from the goddess.
Thank you for your kind gesture. Greatly appreciate it.